Hello, my name is Nick Janock with Field Van. I'm going to show you how to use our F45 Fiamma awning. This particular one's on a pop top. We use different awnings depending on what size van that you have, but they're all from Fiamma and they're all manual awnings. So let's get started and show you how to make this thing come out and give you some extra space outside of your van. So step one for your Fiamma awning is to make sure that you always have the doors shut, because when I bring this awning out, it's going to start to droop and it can get caught on your sliding door. So I'm going to take the crank that comes with the awning, and we're going to sit here and we're going to pop it in, and we're going to bring it out part of the way just by cranking it a little bit. Once you get to about 3 or 4 feet out, we're going to come up here and we've got some legs that pop out of the awning. Those have a little clasp on them. You bring them down and you add the support. There's 2 legs, one for either side. You're going to take the other one out right here, bring it down, and put it in place. Now that we have our support, we're going to go ahead and continue to crank the awning out, and you can extend the legs out as needed. The vans can also come with some clips that can be mounted to the vehicle, that the legs can be clipped into this space if you choose to have that drilled into the side of your van. So there you have it. That's how you use your Fiamma awning. Always ensure that you put it away if you are going to be away from the van, if you're leaving the campsite, or if you're going to bed. Enjoy your awning and go create your adventure with Field Van.